I'm Tyler Jenkins, Sustainable Ag Specialist for the National Center for Appropriate Technology. Today I'm going to talk to you about prescribed grazing. Prescribed grazing is a livestock management practice that builds healthy grasslands. Prescribed grazing is about carefully managing pasture land to optimize both livestock production and grassland ecosystem health. Through rotational grazing systems, livestock are moved strategically between paddocks, allowing forage to recover while ensuring animals have access to sufficient feed. The result? Pastures with richer plant life, providing more nutrients for livestock and supporting grasslands. Prescribed grazing has a number of benefits for conserving land and water resources on your farm through increased water retention and erosion control. By embracing prescribed grazing, farms not only optimize livestock performance, but also become stewards of resilient grassland ecosystems in their fields. Ready to grow your pastures? Contact us to learn more about implementing